Where are Americans investing in real estate in 2024? Hi, I'm Ghada Gigi Benitez, your trusted guide in global real estate. On my YouTube channel and the Dubai Connect podcast, I share the latest insights on international property investments. Today, we're diving into the top destinations where Americans are investing in 2024: Spain, Mexico, and Dubai. Let's start with Spain's Costa del Sol, particularly Marbella. This region is becoming increasingly popular among American investors. Over the past year, property prices in Marbella have risen by 10%, now averaging around $470 per square foot. Marbella offers a blend of luxury, favorable climate, and strong infrastructure, making it a prime location for second homes. The city ranks as the 16th most expensive globally for luxury properties, even surpassing Madrid and Dubai. With exclusive neighborhoods like Nageles, Mia de Oro, and Nueva Andalucía, it's no wonder Americans are flocking here. Now, let's head to Mexico. With its proximity to the U.S., stunning beaches, and affordable real estate, it remains a top choice for American buyers. In 2023 alone, around 17,000 properties were purchased by Americans. Popular regions like Baja California, Riviera Maya, and Puerto Vallarta offer not only a lower cost of living, but also a rich cultural experience and ease of travel. The trend of Americans investing in Mexico is set to continue, especially with the growing demand for short-term vacation rentals. Finally, let's talk about Dubai. This city is increasingly becoming a top investment destination for Americans, who are now among the top 10 investors by nationality. Why? It's simple. Dubai offers incredibly affordable prices per square foot, averaging around $450, with high rental yields and a favorable tax environment. In Dubai, there are no property taxes, capital gains taxes, or inheritance taxes, making it a highly attractive market. Add to that the city's strong capital appreciation potential and world-class infrastructure, and it's clear why Dubai is on every savvy investor's radar. So, as you can see, whether it's the luxury of Marbella, the affordability of Mexico, or the booming market in Dubai, Americans are diversifying their real estate portfolios globally in 2024. At Gigi Benitez International, we have a network of experts ready to guide you through these top markets. We're here to help you make informed, profitable decisions in global real estate. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights, and tune into the Dubai Connect podcast for the latest updates regarding Dubai real estate. Ready to explore the best real estate opportunities globally? Let's get started.